같이 가.
No! God, please, no! No!
그래요? 괜찮습니다. 편이라고 그래 남편 힘들어.
나 유튜브 나오는 거니?
선출연.
점심 먹을 때를 검색하고 있어.
요 안에다가 이쪽에 걸리니까 딱 끼고 하면 길이 조정이 완료가 된 거예요.
아, 우와.
됐을까요? 맞추면 되니까
티도 안 나? 우리는 그때 나온 거. 언니 뭐 하세요?
그 이제 막상
오호 여기다가 이렇게 걸고 해야 되나?
그래서 이제 여기다가 넣어주면
와, 이렇게 보는 거구나. 근데 우리나라 거랑 진짜 다르네.
이렇게 다 들어간 것 같은데 전등식을
빰빰.
오!
갈네.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well,
그냥 크게
don't know where you are. Cause you're not
뭔 개소리야!
alone. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.
달면 안 돼? 어차피 무게가 가벼우니까.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see
조금
you
거는
soon.
꼽을 때
If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would.
이쪽 방향으로 달죠.
I would.
처음으로 구멍을 뚫는
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice.
그렇게 엄살 부를 게 아니었다고.
And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you,
끝에 잡아.
even if you're gone,
아니, 아니.
I won't
아이, 그-
forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
아, 끝이 남잖아. 아, 너무?
Even if you're gone, I will remember.
하기 싫지.
사진 잡는 것도 힘들어. 사진 잡는 것도. 땀나.
다시.
Found in the dark, broken and scarred. You were there for me. Gave you my heart, it was a part. You were the one I needed. Like this is really hard to find. Guess I met you at the right time. Found in the dark, broken and scarred. You were there for me. Gave you my heart, it was a part. You were the one I needed. Love like this is really